Say that again, Joe.
Say that just like cheating. Here, let me show you the cheating.
Oh my god! Joe, you're such a loser. Guys, I'm back with another video. And did you hear just that, like, tickety? But higher? That was Joey, Marcel's brother. It sounded so lame. Joe, do it again. Come on, please. He doesn't know I'm making a video. Joe, say it again. He's saying tuckadees. Really? You are saying it? Oh. Okay, okay, bye. Okay, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Sorry this was such a short video, but, well, so it's not that short. Here's a clip of my adorable little kitty Diamond. Boo!
Oh my god, cutest kitty ever. You're so cute, I love you. Look at your little paws curled up. You're so cute. Look at that. Look at that kitty fish. So cute. Look. So cute.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that cute kitty. Oh, I love you.
What you think of your Diamond?
I love you, Papa. You're so adorable. Okay.